Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at a Titanium Powerbook G4 which I bought for $2. Late last year I won an auction for this Powerbook G4 for $2 with free shipping. This Powerbook was listed as faulty, coming with no charger. I received the laptop in a pretty short amount of time. Taking a look at the body, the plastic is pretty dirty and yellowed. Part of the hinge is missing and a lot of the paint has peeled off. Taking a look at the bottom, we can see the original rubber feet have been removed. Looking at the battery, I can tell this is a third-party battery brand. The paint on the inner side of the plastic has created clear lines through the battery casing. Lifting the battery out, we can see that there is some kind of acid marking underneath. Pushing the latch and opening up the lid, we have a pretty clean keyboard. However, the white plastic is dirty, which I will clean later. Flipping it upside down again and removing 8 screws, we can access the components. We can now see that the hard drive has been removed, but the rest of the components look normal. Taking a look underneath the keyboard, we can see the large heatsink helping out the tiny 15.2mm fan. Here we have the 2 memory modules installed in this Powerbook. Taking a look at the I/O, we have a Kensington lock, the charging port, a Firewire 400 connector, a 10100 base Ethernet port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, a VGA display output, and an S video output, a phone line, a headphone jack, and a card bus compliant slot. Along the front there is a DVD-ROM drive. After going over the body, cleaning it with Jif, the laptop now looks much cleaner and whiter, having a much more original look. Plugging in a suitable charger, then hitting the power button, the laptop did nothing. I left it for half an hour and went back to try it again. However, nothing happened. Apart from the laptop not working, the $2 price tag was unbeatable. Please go follow me on Instagram at TechWithSully for news on what I purchase and information about upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video, I hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button and get subscribed to keep up to date with all of my videos.